What's going on, everybody? This is Parker with Parker's Properties, the YouTube channel where we talk about real estate, finance, and investing. And it occurred to me the other day that I do make a lot of purchases, especially online, Amazon, and in this case, Microsoft. So I figured, why not? I already have a platform, I already have a channel. Why not give you guys a little bit more content doing unboxings? Now, most of it's going to be tech-related stuff because in this case, it is a computer. It's the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, 13.5 inch. As far as specs go, this thing's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, 200 and something gigabytes of storage, and then it has an i7, I believe 10th generation processor. So let's find the knife here. Got my knife, and we are going to unbox this baby. Let me bring the camera down a little bit here. So yeah, if you do like this unboxing content, please let me know in the comments. Like I said, I mean, I buy a bunch of stuff online, so I think it's fun. I actually did a lot of unboxings earlier on my channel, but they got a lot of good attention too, but I decided to make it more finance related. But hey, you need to buy things with money, so I'm gonna be able to determine at the end of each video if said purchase is worth my money or not. Now, this purchase, woo, so we got the box here. You open it up, and you got the real box, Microsoft Surface Laptop. That is nice. So we'll pull it out of this bag here. Woo! This baby was expensive. Wasn't cheap. I believe I got off the Microsoft store, and I got it for just making sure there's nothing here. Sorry, I'm kind of ADD with this, but I want to make sure there's nothing else in the box. There's like these little tabs on the side here. I don't know if you can see, but all right, so we're ditching that. All right, so I got this for $1,300, $1,400 with tax and everything. But I got the knife again. I'm just going to break the seal. Let's just soak this in though. This is a nice box, just like any reputable company would have. Nice and clean. In my opinion, the reason I got this is because I'm not a Mac guy. I have always been an Android and Windows guy when it comes to phones, laptops, so I wanted to get essentially the Mac equivalent, the prestige of a Mac, but in a Windows computer. And I identified the Surface Laptop to be that for me. So go ahead and open this up. Okay, we've broken the seal. All right. Whoo! That's clean. That is clean. So we're gonna slide off the top. I don't know if you can see this, but all right, open the lid, nothing inside. And here she is. Now I wanna be really careful. Here is the Surface Laptop. It's a small laptop, it's not big. It's just a little guy. Oh man, it's beautiful. So, as far as ports go, you've got a special charging port on this side. You've got the top, underneath, and then on this side, you have a normal USB port, a USB Type-C port, and then a auxiliary port. By the way, guys, I can defend myself in the tech world, but by no means am I a genius, so there's a blah, 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 blah. Little welcome manual. Okay, caring for your laptop, Microsoft Surface Laptop, you get it. No one cares. Even if I did have questions about it, I always end up looking it up online, but hey, it's cool. So we'll put that over there. Okay, I want to put this on my desk. Let's open it up. Should we open it up? Something to know about this laptop is it has the fabric deck. I'm spacing on it right now. What is it called? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So I believe it's advertised to have the, yep, boom, there it is. Isn't she pretty? So it's got this soft fabric. What's it called? I'm spacing right now, but this is super light, very light laptop. Woo! There's the back. So I got silver. Man, I don't even know. I just know it's silver. So again, I'm not a tech genius. This isn't going to be the highest. This is just an unboxing video. This isn't the highest quality of review, but let's look at cords. So I got this box. This is what I'm left with. Looks like nothing else. So let's see what is in this box. That's what I thought. Power cord. Okay, so you've got the power cord, and I believe it's magnetic, so for fast charging. Yep, it just goes right in there. That's cool. And then you just have like an adapter for it. It's cool because the brick on here, it allows for you to like plug in your phone, which is pretty cool, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna plug it in right now. Let's unwrap this. Now I know I'm a big fan of USB Type-C. Big fan. So I want to make sure that it will charge with a USB Type-C cord. So I'm going to open this up. I want to be really careful because I haven't put on the skin for it yet. Oh, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. The cord is stuck right here, but there's a USB Type-C cord. I'm going to plug it in. Let's get the camera around here now. All right. So you can see it's got the fabric. I cannot, I'm spacing it out. Maybe I'll look it up on my computer. But you got the nice trackpad here. I mean, it's really basic. It's really clean. There's my reflection. So it's firing up right now, and you'll notice USB Type-C charging. That's pretty cool. Just a moment. So I have a Lenovo Yoga laptop, and you'll notice it's actually bigger than this. So I am downsizing a little bit, but I think this is a good, clean alternative. So we're waiting for it to power on. So while we're waiting, I am going to find out what is on the deck of this computer. So let's pause the video real quick. Alcantara. If you look right there, Alcantara. That is what this material is made out of, and it's very soft. I know for some luxury cars it's put on like the steering wheel. Personally, I wouldn't prefer it because not as durable as your standard metal, but because I have this plugged in, let's set this up here. So I believe it's touchscreen. Yep, touchscreen as well. But because, sorry, I'm just so excited. My mice is spinning here. There's Cortana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready.
Okay, thanks Cortana. Anyways, that's gonna do it for the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like unboxings. I know I'm not the best reviewer, but okay, shut up Cortana. Let's turn this off. Sorry, Cortana's getting a little rowdy up in here, but this is the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. You were able to witness it in the flesh here on Parker's Properties. We mostly talk about real estate, finance, and investing, but this is going to be my new machine where I'm going to edit all the videos on it. I'm going to be doing my trades. I'm going to be working on it. I mean, this is my go-to. So that's going to do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and liking. This is Parker's Properties. Till next time.